Hello everybody, my name is Wesley with AVADirect. You typically see me on aviary rigs. However, today we're here to introduce a new feature on our website that we've been long at work at, and now's the time to unveil it to you. So, starting today, introducing AVA Instabuilder. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you AVADirect's Instabuilder, and I'm going to walk you through each step to get you your personalized PC with just a few clicks. So first, to get to the AVADirect Instabuilder page, you go to avadirect.com, and we are going to have a new banner displaying Instabuilder. So after you are on the specific web page of the Instabuilder, you're going to need to pick your budget. Instabuilder will only recommend PCs within $300 of your selected price range. Second, select the resolution you'd like to game at. This would be based on preferences or current monitor and which games you'd like your PC to be optimized for. You can skip this step if you want standard desktop recommendations. Third, choose what size of case you'd like and if you'd like to be able to see the components inside with a windowed or tempered glass side panel. Lastly, select the brands you'd like your PC to be powered by. If you are unsure or have no preference, you can skip this step as well. After all of these questions are answered, hit next on the final step and you will see the results of your build. Instabuilder recommendations include a small amount of customization. The base recommendation will be able to play everything you've selected and more. But if you're not a fan of the case or maybe want a little extra RAM that we recommend, we always give you the option to swap those out as well. And don't worry, we aren't going away from our Customize Without Compromise slogan. Our full custom configurations are still available if you want to hand select every component. And our sales team is standing by to help you create the perfect configurations as well. So that is just a simple walkthrough on how to create your own build through the AVADirect Instabuilder. It can be tough with millions of options on our website. However, we feel that with this new feature, it's going to be a lot more simpler. So, we look forward to seeing the creations that the Instabuilder is creating for you.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com